Here, let's dive into the world of one of Australia's most iconic and loved fish, barramundi. If you've never tried it, you're in for a treat. And if you have, then you already know why this fish holds such a special place on Aussie menus. The name barramundi comes from an Aboriginal language meaning large-scaled river fish. It's found in the warm waters of northern Australia and also in parts of Southeast Asia. But in Australia, it's more than just a fish, it's a national treasure. Whether it's wild-caught or farmed sustainably, barramundi has become a favorite in home kitchens, restaurants, and of course, the classic Aussie barbecue. So what makes barramundi so special? First, the flavor. Barramundi has a clean, buttery taste that's not too fishy. Its texture is firm yet flaky, and it holds up well to almost any cooking method: grilling, pan-frying, baking, or even steaming. It's one of those versatile fish that tastes amazing with simple seasoning, but also pairs beautifully with bold sauces, herbs, and spices. On the barbecue, a fillet of barramundi only needs a brush of olive oil, a sprinkle of sea salt, and maybe a squeeze of lemon to shine. That crispy skin and juicy flesh are hard to beat. Some chefs like to serve it with a mango salsa, chili lime dressing, or a herb crust. Others go for a more Asian-inspired approach with ginger, soy, and garlic. And it's not just delicious, it's healthy too. Barramundi is high in omega-3 fatty acids, low in fat, and rich in protein. It's a great choice for anyone looking to eat nutritious meals without sacrificing flavor. Now here's something even more exciting: sustainability. Australia leads the way in sustainable fish farming, and barramundi is a shining example. Many barramundi farms focus on eco-friendly practices, making sure the fish are raised in clean, low-impact environments. That means you can enjoy this tasty fish knowing it's a smart choice for the planet too. But barramundi isn't just for fancy meals. It's also a local favorite in casual settings. You'll find it in fish and chip shops across the country, often battered and golden, served with hot chips and a squeeze of lemon. In the Northern Territory, it's a cultural icon, featured in festivals, local competitions, and even art. For many indigenous communities, barramundi is a traditional source of food and has deep cultural significance. And for the fishing lovers out there, catching a wild barramundi is considered a real prize. These fish are strong, smart, and can put up a good fight. Many anglers travel north during the runoff season just for a chance to catch a giant barra in the wild. So whether you're enjoying a gourmet barramundi dish at a restaurant, grilling it fresh at home, or telling stories around the fire after a fishing trip, this fish connects people across Australia. It's more than just a meal, it's part of the culture, history, and future of Australian food. Barramundi truly represents the best of Aussie seafood: clean, healthy, delicious, and proudly local.